Everyone, I'm John, and I am going to be starting my brand new YouTube channel today, and so let's get this all going. So first, to start things off, here Jason just had a big snowstorm. It's very windy. There's my big snow mountain. It's really cold out, and it turns onto ice very quickly. This just happened a couple of days ago. Maybe you heard on the news, but yeah, it's very cold out. Freezing my butt off, but I should have brought gloves out, but whatever. Going under the tree here. Oh, jeez, that scared me today. No, I'm just kidding. So it's really cold out. I mean, there's ice all over the place. And today, actually, on my way over to school, I was getting out of the car, and all of a sudden, this thing of ice, just like flies right at my head, and it was pretty cold, and it hit me right in the eye. So yeah, that's New Jersey. So please subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it. I just want to make a YouTube channel, so thank you for everyone who likes this video and subscribes. So leave a comment, subscribe, and just hit that notification button. Thank you, guys.